pulls so much harder. Dude. Alright guys, what is going on? I wanted to make a follow-up video. So we have the 100 watt eBay coolant pump in the car currently. It is day 4. I don't know if you guys can see on the dash, but it is the 9th of July. We installed it on the 4th of July. So we got about 4 days on it, just casually cruising it. Just been kind of taking it easy. But when I do rip the car, it is a whole different animal. I'll tell you that right now. Like, it is crazy how much a difference the coolant pump has made. And I'm not sure if my CWA 50 was just done and not working at all, or if this pump is just pushing that much more coolant to where everything is cooler and just a lot happier. IET's being a lot happier and all of this. But you can mash the throttle and it like actually pulls. It was crazy. The car would not pull whatsoever, especially when it was warmed up. It really just, it didn't want to go. It was heat soaked. It didn't feel good. It felt like it felt heat soaked. So I'm sure you would probably get similar results putting in the CWA 100 or CWA 50 or 150, sorry. And I've seen mixed results with people installing those pumps, and I think why some of the people are happy with it and some people aren't happy with it is because either their coolant pumps are working just fine or their coolant pumps aren't working at all. I feel like that's the only reason that would explain why some of these guys say it didn't make a difference for their car. Their car probably just wasn't heat soaked and it was functioning as it should. With this car, I thought it was functioning as it should. I thought it was literally just a turd. I had read in forums and stuff that they're not as fast as you think from a roll, but this thing was like downright slow. Like, it just didn't go at all. And I thought that was weird that the Jetta was even faster and pulled harder from a roll. Like, I feel like the Jetta probably would have clapped this thing from a roll with how it was running when it was all warmed up. So changing that pump made a huge difference for my car, and I'm super stoked on it. The pump hasn't failed me yet. I will keep you guys updated just so we know the lifespan of these eBay pumps, but I will probably be buying another one just to have on hand because it's only $79. I don't see I'll buy 2 of these pumps before I buy the CWA 100 with how this thing has performed so far. So all along the car was just heat soaked and not enjoying its life, and I am glad that I put that new pump in. So it really used to only want to be that torquey when I would kind of get on it and lug the engine. I can get the water meth sprayer to come on and actually like saturate the cooler bricks, and then after I kind of did that, let it get those saturated and then did a pull, it would pull pretty hard. Now I don't even have to do that. Now I can just stab the throttle and it goes. It made a huge difference, and I'm actually like, I'm blown away with how much different the car behaves now. So definitely worth the mod. I don't know if you guys can see that thumbs up, but thumbs up. I'll keep you guys updated on the pump life and all of that, but so far so good.